Okay, so in this part we will be creating this footer, and we will set up our bottom navigation bar. Okay, so technically we are just installing a plugin for this bottom navigation. Okay, everything will be done automatically. You can save the icons, colors, okay, from the admin. So I will show you later. Let's do that. For this footer, first we need to create these menus, these quick links menus, categories, support, and these some social icons. Okay, so let's create them one by one. Go to appearance. Alright, so I will create explore form page. Okay, I will create directly a page. Okay, first explore form, set a template to elementor full width, close this. Okay, so next we have dashboard. Click on publish. Okay, next we have contact us and about us. These two pages, I will not create these two pages, I will create the links instead. So create here a menu which is quick links. Sorry. Okay, now let's add the page one by one. First is explore and second was our discover. So I will add not discover, so dashboard. Okay, and next I will add a custom link which is about us. And contact us. You can replace this link with the pages. Okay, alright, so our first menu is ready. The next we have some categories. We'll create these categories directly. So go to categories and maybe disclaimer, no contributors policy. Okay, alright. Now we'll create the third menu. So basically it's not a menu, these all are the social media plugin icons. Okay, we will add it later. Now close this menu, go to template and the theme builder. As usual we did with the header, we will use a footer from here and we'll create a footer template. You can use header and footer builder plugin additionally if you want to work on it. Okay, so first add a container. Okay, sorry, here again add a container. We have 4 columns, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the 2 rows, this 1 row and this second row. Okay, set the size to 1400 px. Select this and again we have one more widget, or you can say container, just overlapping to this footer. Okay, so for that we will create that container later. Let's create first this main footer. Set this container to direction row horizontal. Okay, and duplicate it 4 times to create the 4 columns. Alright, you can see it's some padding here like 30. Now we have to set the background like this. Okay, so go to select this container, go to style, this image, let's upload the image. Click on select. Alright, so let's adjust its minimum height. Okay, like this. Go to style and position will be center. Attach, not repeat, no repeat, and size content, or you can cover it like this. Okay, or keep it bottom. Alright, now we have to add a background overlay. Just top of it. So I will simply use the black color and increase the opacity. Okay, like this. Now in the first column we have quick links. Search for this heading, write as a quick links. Style and color will be white. Okay, now search for WordPress menu. Here is menu. Okay, just drag and drop and select the menu as a quick link. Okay, it's horizontal, set it to vertical, and we have to just adjust this hover effect. So here pointer will be text. Okay, animation will be none. So here select this, to advanced, as just give a margin from the top so that these menu items and the title will be in the same line. Okay, from the left side. Now go to style, change color to white. Also go to typography. We will just little bit increase the size. Okay, 15, and change to 500, or okay, 500 is okay. Okay, font weight, and here hover effect, you can set it to this main color, and active also the same color. Alright, that looks perfect. Copy this and paste here. The second is categories. Copy this menu and paste here. This time select the menu category. Okay, now the third is support. Let's make it bigger in size, like H1. Select support. Okay, change heading to support. Alright, now in the last column we have the social icons. So copy this title, paste here, and the text is connect with us. That's it. Remove the margin from left. Now search for the social media. Alright, so I think I haven't used this type of widget. I used here the icon box. Okay, so this will be the Facebook. Spacing, remove content spacing, change icon color to white. Also we will reduce the size of this icon. Okay, now change the icon and type Facebook, and that's it. And also the text color to white. It's a little bit bigger than the previous text, so I will change it to 40 or 15. 14 is perfect. Okay, either you can paste the link here. Okay, so duplicate 4 times. We have YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. Okay, search for YouTube. Also write here YouTube, Instagram. The next is Twitter, which is X. Also type text as Twitter. Okay, now click on publish. Set the condition to enter site. Okay, now let's check the preview. Okay, it's looking perfect. Now let's continue the footer. I will add the copyright text here like this. Change the background color first. Copy this ID. Okay, let's search if any widget is available for the copyright. Nothing is available. Copy this and paste here. Make it center, and the text would be like this. You can change the text from here. Set it to H6 or H5. Also change the font weight to 400. Okay, that's it, and you can set up some padding to it like this. Okay, now it looks perfect. Click on publish. Now we have to create this type of container. Okay, so it's very easy. Click on plus icon, add a container and one more container. Okay, this time I will make it full width, reduce the width. I will make it the X. Okay, now let's change the background color. Click on plus, and you can set the name as a container bg color. Okay, so it will be easy to identify the color for the to use throughout the website. Okay, so what we'll do here, we'll reduce the margin from the bottom. So this is the issue actually. So okay, I will select this, make it boxed. Okay, and this full width, let's reduce it, and align items to center. Remove the background color from this container and set the background container color to this child container. Okay, that's it. So let's remove the color from here. Alright, also add some border radius like 12 and some padding like 25 or simply 20. Okay, now let's reduce the margin from the bottom. Let's overlap it until it comes to the center. Alright, select this container and set Z index to 10. Now you will see that the content of this footer is just hiding this just beside this container. To avoid that, we will do one thing. First, remove it. Simply we can do here one thing, we can add the padding from the top. Okay, now let's adjust it. Okay, it's perfectly fitted it in this footer here. Okay, now we have to add this text. We have 2 columns. For the 2 columns we need to add one more container and set the direction of this main container to horizontal. Okay, now duplicate this and paste here. Just paste the text. Okay, just remove the padding, keep it 10. Okay, set to okay, H2 is okay. Go to style and change the font weight to something like this. Okay, it should be thick. Duplicate it, set it to H1 and let's set this text. Now go to style and typography, change font weight to something bold and you notice the text is actually getting this text don't have the enough space to shift this rewards word in line with it. Okay, so we'll do one thing, increase. I will set this to px. Okay, that's it. Now it's look perfect. Remove the margin from the left, also from text. Set all items to justify content to center. Okay, and set top margin should be, these two text should be close to each other. Okay, now copy this and paste right here as a subscribe. Remove the margin from top. Also the padding was not enough for this container, so let's add it 20 is perfect. And if you want to add the form, so we have a lot of forms like elementors, default form, made form, contacts form, MailChimp form, etc. Okay, so for now I will use the form from the elementor. Okay, I will simply keep it the email. inside the email, type email. I don't want the label. Okay, and also that should be 100%. Now go to buttons. It's the whole width. You can reduce the size to 50%. Okay, 6%. Currently I will set it to 100%. Okay, it looks perfect. Now let's change the color. So go to style, text color. I will use not this, just change the button color. Okay, so background color would be like this. Okay, click on publish, and now let's take the preview. So let's look perfect. Now let's make it responsive. Go to header, and first it would be a tablet. Now you will see every menu is now turned to one icon, which is hamburger icon. So we need to remove the breakpoint, so click on none. From here also none, and this also none. Okay, that's it. And here let's reduce the width. All right, now we have the mobile view. So let's adjust here. I think this form is perfectly fitted here. Okay, no need to change. We will just remove some padding from here. Okay, go to advanced. Top will be same. Here fit 90. Okay, either you can just set the margin from top to shape this like to shift this menu near to up near to top. Okay, and this as well, -14. Okay, and let's adjust this. So here select and shift this to normal. All right, so go to icon and set the font. So I will set the font to 20. Okay, similarly we have to style the other widgets as well. Okay, so shift this to left, center 20. Also with this okay, that's it. On this container, let's apply the padding from the left side. That's perfect. Okay, so our responsive, let me just decrease the size 20. will also reduce the margin from top of this form, and that's we have this responsive footer. Okay, so now let's move on to the next part, which is the bottom navigation bar. So simply we will install a plugin. So it's a customized plugin developed for the bottom navigation. Okay, also you can customize your bottom navigation stylings. Okay, I'll show you. Let me install. Click on activate, and that's it. So when you activate this plugin, it will automatically start working. Okay, so first you will see here the bottom nav option where you can customize your navigation. So basically I'm using here the font awesome icons. For that you have to place the font awesome shortcut, the name of the tab, and the page link. Okay, suppose I'm targeting this home, then I have to paste the URL of the home page here. Okay, and the corresponding icon shortcut. So first of all, make sure you have installed, or just copy the CDN of the font awesome. So it will be inside the header.php. okay, as usual. So you have to paste the link just below this link. Okay, so how to get the CDN for the font awesome? So search for the font awesome CDN. Okay, you will see the first link. From there just copy this first one, copy link tag. Okay, and paste here, and that's it. Click on update file. So it's edited successfully. Now search for font awesome icons. Okay, go to icons and search here the first icon, which is home. Okay, so we have n number of icons by the font awesome, but most of them are pro. So just pick the one which is free and suitable for your requirement. So I will choose this one, and in front of you will see some shortcuts. So I will copy this shortcut and then go to bottom nav and paste here. Okay, I will write here as a home. From here okay, let me show you in the bigger screen. When you will copy this whole shortcut from the font awesome, actually we don't need this full shortcut. Simply remove this class and this, just copy this and paste here. Give the link of home page. Okay, so here I will copy the home page link and paste here. That's it. And here you can customize. I also hide the on wider screens. You can set the icon color, the background color. Okay, so first let's click on save button, or let's add all of 3 remaining tabs. Okay, so in this way you have to put the data in this bottom navigation plugin. Okay, so currently the background is color. Now let's make it dark. First let me show you the preview. Okay, we'll later change the colors. Okay, icon colors to white, text color to white. Okay, so let's add the active color, which is D84040. Okay, that's it. Click on save changes. you will see a preview. Okay, currently it's showing in this text format. We'll see it in the live. Let's check it and let's enter into the mobile view, and here we have our icon, sorry, bottom neighbor. Okay, whenever you switch the tabs, it will change its current states as well. Okay, and also the color of the icons as we have set in our admin. Okay, now finally we just finished our bottom navigation bar. Now we will move on to the next part, which is the designing of this home page, and we'll set up our other required pages. Okay, and one more thing, if you want to download this plugin, you can simply redirect to the my official website, which is webcro.co.in, and also you can download this whole website files. Okay, it's currently available for the download purpose. Just go to the website and click on this download files. Make sure you are registered on this website. Okay, and follow the instructions. I have given all the instructions inside this file, then you can easily migrate on your own server. Okay,